Good morning, 6th grade. This is the video for standard NS5, which deals with opposites. This was one of our standards that we did back when we were working on the number line. This standard involves determining the opposites of numbers. And the reason that this has to do with the number line is because that's the easiest way to figure out what we're talking about when we talk about opposites. So let's take a look at this top number line right here. It starts at -3, then works its way up to 0, and then on to +3. If I put a dot on 2, and then ask what is the opposite of this point, all I have to do is figure out, okay, well, I'm at 2. How far is it to 0? 1, 2. And I'm back at 0. Then I need to go the same distance in the opposite direction. So from 0 to here, I went to the right 2. So to find the opposite, I'm going to go to the left 2. And when I do that, my opposite point is at -2. Opposite points are points that are the same distance from 0, but in opposite directions. So down here, if I had a point at 1, this is one jump to the right from 0. So to find the opposite, I make one jump to the left, -1. Now what you've probably noticed is that an opposite just switches the sign. So if I have a -3, my opposite, I get rid of the negative and it becomes a positive. If I plotted those points on this number line, I'll use triangles, 3 and -3, let's count and see. 1, 2, 3 spots to the right, 1, 2, 3 spots to the left. So they are opposites. If it's a positive number, this is a +4, I just switch it to a -4. So when we talk about opposites, we are talking about being able to identify a number that is the same distance from 0 in the opposite direction on a number line. If we don't have a number line, that means you just need to switch the sign. Okay, that's basically all you need to be aware of for this to be successful at NS5. The only thing you need to know is that the only number that is its own opposite is 0. And why is that? Because 0 is right in the middle. You don't make any jumps to the right, you don't make any jumps to the left. 0 is its own opposite. Okay, all the other numbers, no matter where you're at on the number line, you'll be able to find the opposite number on the opposite side of the number line. But 0 that can't happen because there's only one 0 right in the middle. So that's what you need to be successful at NS5. After you've watched this video, you can go see the teacher and ask for your NS5 retake, and I wish you luck.